ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಸೈಂಟ್ ಅಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ ಪಿಯು ಕಾಲೇಜು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಬೀಳ್ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಸಮಾರಂಭವು ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಲೋಯೋಲಾ ಸಭಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ್ದೂರಿಯಾಗಿ ನಡೆಯಿತು.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ ಸಂತ ಆಗ್ನೆಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಮಾಲಿನಿ ಹೆಬ್ಬಾರ್ ಅವರು ದೀಪ ಬೆಳಗಿಸಿ ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದರು. ಬಳಿಕ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಅವರು, ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನೀಡಿ ಪಿಯು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಮಹತ್ವದ ಘಟ್ಟ. ಉನ್ನತ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂದಡಿಯಿಡುವ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು.
Here is a wish that tells you, find the spark that lights your heart. It is important that each of us finds that spark that lights our heart, because each of us would like to be happy in our lives. Aristotle talked about eudaimonia, and he said that every one of us will have to look for this welfare, happiness, prosperity. But even as we look at this possibility of being happy, prosperous, do we also look at the world around us, and do we also think of our commitment towards this world? It is very necessary to do that. As you have seen from what went on in the virtual world of the LED screen, you had beautiful words of great leaders of the world.
ಇದೇ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಸಂತ ಅಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ನ ರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ರೆವರೆಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಡೈನೀಷಿಯಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎಸ್ಜೆ ಅವರು ಮಾತನಾಡಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಮುಂದಿನ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಸಿದರು.
And unconsciously we have a lot of biases today, a lot of prejudices injected into us, stereotypes, and we need to become, if St. Aloysius students can become more secular, where you have a lot of Christian friends, Hindu friends, Muslim friends, then you become more secular. My request to you is, as you get out of the portals of the institution, taking the flag of academic excellence, character formation, social concern, develop life skills. Many people have marks today. We are now having a recruitment drive in the PUC and in the college, and a lot of people will come with plentiful marks. But ultimately, we are going to ask them how many skills they have, life skills of self-awareness, personality, problem-solving skills, decision-making skills. Go to the WHO and ask yourselves, look at those 10 life skills that WHO asks about. Develop those skills in your life. You will surely do well in your life. And I'm sure you'll come back to this institution as an alumni, proud of this institution that has given you such a great gift. God bless you all. All the best in your exams. Have a great time.
ಇದೇ ವೇಳೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ತಮ್ಮ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಿದರು.
This journey has been a roller coaster ride, and I've enjoyed every bit of it. Growing closer to this institution in the last year makes it harder to say goodbye. As I walk away as a proud Aloysian, I take with me experiences that are lessons for life and memories that make me want to relive these 2 years over and over again. I cannot be grateful enough to the management headed by the rector, our principal, finance officer, vice principals, our lovely teachers and support staff who have been a source of inspiration and guidance and have brought out the best in us.
I stand before the same people, mighty sure that the strong sense of social responsibility, emotional balance, and morality that this college has instilled in us will lead us to achieve our goals with a common concern for the deprived. These 2 years passed in a wink, but every moment spent here has memories that we will cherish for long years to come.
ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಮುಂದಿನ ಜೀವನವು ಉಜ್ವಲವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಗಲಿ ಎಂದು ದೀಪ ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲಿಸಿ ಬಳಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಸಿದರು.
Fire
ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ ಪಿಯು ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ರೆವರೆಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಪರ್ಡ್ ಸಿಕ್ವೆರಾ, ರೆವರೆಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ವಿನೋದ್ ಪೌಲ್, ವೈಸ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಮುರಳೀಧರ ಮತ್ತಿತರರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. ಶರತ್ ಸಾಲ್ಯಾನ್, ವಿ4 ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 24/7 ಮಂಗಳೂರು.